I have a couple things to share today. One is this. Picked up the couch today. Shout out to Joe at work. He came and we met up at Ashley's Furniture. Then we had to go to the distribution plant. Then he helped me drag this thing into my apartment. And it's really nice. It's from Ashley's Furniture. It's brand new. It's not like a used couch from hand-me-down someone. And it's, oh man, it's so comfortable. It's not a leather. It's like a suede type. I don't know, but it's really nice. 5-year warranty, pet protection, punctures, holes, all that craziness. I had it out here more, guys, like, you know, and then it had like room behind it, but I don't know what I want to do behind it yet. So I'm just going to kind of chill with it like that for now. On Thursday, I'm going to grab a 65-inch, and that's going on the wall. So we got that going, so that's gonna be a ginormous TV on the wall. And then, so I don't know how I'm gonna feel about being so far away. This living room's huge. This apartment is actually pretty big, you know. And I gotta get some bar stools for here. So, you know, I'm gonna do that. And I got pretty much all my stuff put away for the kitchen because you guys, you know, I like to cook. And there it is, kitchen. It's a good kitchen to cook in. Anyways, so the couch is in, and then I have actually two more things to talk about. Things are starting to turn around, starting to feel so much better. Like just being in my own space now, and getting stuff and getting it organized and like having it look really nice, because this is going to be the first house I'm actually, or you know, I've had other apartments, but I never like really wanted to make it like, I'm not going to be putting the movie posters up and getting like really nice stuff. Like I want nice, you know. I'm 37, so I want this house to look really good, and not so much like a bachelor pad either. But who am I kidding? Of course it's going to be a bachelor pad. But let's go into the bedroom, because the bedroom is looking pretty fancy with the new bedroom set. Haven't got the end tables yet or the dressers, so kind of got clothes and stuff all over, but that's cool. I don't know if my champagne chair is gonna stay there or not. I like the idea of having a chair in my bedroom to sit or whatever. Anyway, we'll avoid that conversation, but this thing, that just, that looks sick. It looks really sick. And look at how, like, it's so peaceful here. It's just woods. There's no highways or cars. There's Highway 58 is back over that way, and you can hear it when you're outside, but you can't hear it when you're in here. So it's really nice. I put this together this morning. I haven't slept yet. I got done work at 6 in the morning. It is now one-handed. Okay, 11:39. So I do need to go to sleep because I have work tonight. But bedroom set. What are we doing over in the office area? It's basically just a giant storage right now for all the leftover stuff. I got clothes. I mean, this is just a mess in here. We're not too worried about the studio just yet. Storm, come on out, babies. Good girl. And then, you know, the bathroom is still the same. And the couch, I know I really need the new couch, so I don't know if I want to put it here. You guys let me know in the comments. I think once I get the TV up and the coffee table and the area rug and, you know, whatever I'm going to do else, you know, as far as like end tables and stuff like that, then I'll know more or less where I'm going to put the couch, or if I'm going to get the love seat that matches that couch, because it's cheap. It's like $700, 40% off. The thing's like $400 or something. So, you know, not bad. And this was on sale too, so got a really good deal on both of them. And so, yeah, I mean, it's just, I feel so much better now that I'm finally starting to just feel myself again, you know? It takes a while, you know? You start feeling yourself and like really, hey, I don't know. Anyway, so that's what's going on. I know, baby. So, other thing, I got a garage. It's a single car garage, and I guess we could go take a walk. We'll show you the garage when I actually can open it, because I can't open it right now. But it's a private garage, and it's literally directly like right here. Like they're all attached to each other. I think you might have seen them when I was walking the dog. You know what? I'll just flip the camera and show you guys. So if we walk, this is my garage is that one right there. So the garage door is on this side. And so, yeah. So I can officially move into the garage. I signed the lease for it today, but I get the garage on Thursday. So I'm gonna start taking some of that stuff, the bike, and you know, probably not gonna park my truck in there, but we can have a place now to make videos for the street bike when we get that, the bicycle, the car, whatever. You know, we have another studio space in the garage. So that's gonna be pretty cool. And also storage, like there's a lot of storage in this apartment, but it's really nice to have a garage. And I don't know, I like the idea of it not being an actual garage, like a, you know, like a parking garage. This is my own space. I don't yet know if it has electricity in it though. That's the only thing, it might not. So if that's the case, then that sucks, but at least we can have somewhere to pull cars in during the day, or pull our bike in and do like, you know, a video on whatever, you know, whatever the video is gonna be. So anyways, that's all I got for you guys. It's just a basic, real quick video, just a, you know, apartment update kind of deal like I said I was gonna do. And we're gonna do a lot more of these videos as I keep going. Give me some ideas, you know, different places to shop. I've been shopping like crazy online, looking for different places to get area rugs or bookshelves or shelving or coffee tables. I don't want to get a TV stand because I'm putting that sucker on the wall. And so, yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Like, share, subscribe. Mama says bye, and I love you all. Peace.